Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Lexus CT200H key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then slide out the mechanical emergency key. This key is not only for manual entry into your vehicle, but also serves as a crucial tool for the next step in opening the key fob itself. Keep it handy, as we will use it in just a moment. Now that you have the emergency key removed, look inside the slot where it was housed. You will notice a small notch or indentation. Carefully insert the flat tip of your emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle but firm twisting motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the small, round battery. For the Lexus CT200H, this is typically a CR1632 3-volt coin cell battery. Use a small, non-metallic tool, such as a plastic pry tool, a paper clip, or the small flathead screwdriver, to carefully dislodge the old battery from its compartment. Once removed, insert the new CR1632 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly in place. To confirm everything is working correctly, test all the buttons on your key fob, such as lock and unlock, to ensure full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.